Hi, my name's Mike from Sheerin Bespoke, and today I'd like to talk to you about a signature feature of our furniture, a chimney mantle. What is a chimney mantle? Well, this is a structure over a range cooker or over a cooking area. Dependent on the style of furniture, we've got two examples here to show you. The one behind me here is our Georgian chimney mantle, and this is a furniture chimney mantle. So it comes up and over, in this particular case, an Arga range cooker, but you can see that it's panelled and it's got front facing cupboards and a pull out spice rack. If this was a gas range cooker, it would have an extractor in the top, and it's finished off at the same height as the rest of the furniture with our Georgian sweeping cornice. The other style we have on display is our shaker mantle. Now the theory behind this is that it's meant to emulate a fireplace, an existing fireplace that was perhaps in the room already, the fabric of the room, but we actually make it, it's made from our furniture, and we've wrapped the ceiling coving around the top. And like the Georgian mantle, in this particular case we do have an extractor, and these mantle sides can be as long and as wide as we want, and we have the beautiful concealed doors inside there, and in this particular case we've got a mirrored splashback. So those are the two examples we have on display, and maybe I'll see you in the showroom very soon.